Assalamu alaikum. This is me Hafsa and you see my YouTube channel Hijabi World. Everything is curl and you watch my YouTube channel Hijabi World. Subscribe this channel for getting notifications of more videos. In this video I will teach you hijab tutorial with veil and full cover. So without wasting time, let's start this video. Hijab tutorial 1. Hijab tutorial 2. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the first thumb and like this video. And see you soon. Allah Hafiz.